Hi Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Para po sa ating mga Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, let's do the reading and see the reading. Oh, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, starting the reader with a lot of offer. There will be contradiction. May taong kumukontra with regard sa mga bagay at magagandang nangyayari sa buhay mo for today. May basher ka, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And actually, you are ignoring these people na you ignoring the people don't deserve your energy. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And here you are just only waiting what is really deserve your time, your effort, your money, your attention, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And you also have a very good news coming from the company, organization, and that is coming from the boss, manager, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and it's very nice offer, or maybe nice, maybe you will be having a good project. See, it's a very solid offer, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, coming about the work, career, finances. Oh my God, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, you're only more focused to yourself. Because you are being hurt, I think, in the past, or until now, you are still hurt. Nasasaktan ka pa rin until now. When you remember disappointment, people, betrayal, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Merong conflict siguro dahil marami naiinggit sa'yo because sunod-sunod yung pasok ng swerte, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. They will try to do this. Sometimes there are some people really try to tarnish your name, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But you are very strong. Napakalakas mo, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. You're really strong with the challenge. Parang, hey, come on, I accept the challenge, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Because what you have here is the Queen of Wands. You just ignore the people. You are just stable. Ignore them. I will process what is need to be prospered. Although sometimes nag-e-effort kasi you really have a lot of effort to those people in the past. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, masyado ka nag-e-effort, masyado ka matulungin. And now you are recognizing, naiisip mo na it's time for you to change style dealing with the people. Have patience, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. With regards to the basher, you have the Justice card here, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Everything will be in your favor. Anyway, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, that is your reading for today. And thank you for coming back. And any comments, I would like to hear you back. Bye, guys.